This is day 7 of me trying to knit this MLB sweater that I designed in Honor of the World series, and I'm going to try, I'm going to finish this sweater today. If you're watching this right now, this is Malika from the future, and I'm here to tell you not to listen to anything present Malika just told you. She's a liar. She's delusional. I'm going to let her continue speaking, but just know that she don't listen to what she's saying. She might tell you that she's gonna finish the sweater. She's not. Don't believe her. I'm still gonna let her speak, but just know not to believe anything she's saying. I'm gonna let her continue now. Am I close? No, not at all. I haven't even finished attaching my panels yet at all. Then I have to do the collar. Then I have to do the sleeves. I mean, it sounds like a little bit, but like I'm trying to do 2 sleeves in one day. I mean, it is on 6mm. Like it seemed, anyway, forget all that. I'm tired of spiraling out of control with how the front panel looks. I just want to be done and start on my new project. So I'm just going to lock in, finish this sweater tonight. I don't care what time I go to sleep. I am finishing this sweater. I swear I am. I have to. So let's get started. It's literally 2:47. I'm starting late in the day. Let's finish this. Okay, I just finished attaching the panels, and now it's time to tackle this very wide neckline. Like, what is this? Are you serious? Yeah, we gotta fix this. So I'm going to use 3.5mm for it because I think that's really like the only way to make sure it's closed in without having like a super wide neckline like that. So, do I have 3.5s? Yes, so I'm going from this, hold on. I'm gonna be going from this to this. Do you see the difference? Yeah. We'll see what I can do. Okay guys, I finished the collar. It came out perfect. I could not have asked for a better collar. Are you serious? Before, this neckline was literally slipping off my shoulders, and now it's all cinched and nice. Oh, it's looking up, guys. It's looking up. I'm obsessed. Okay, now it's time to do the sleeves and finish the sleeves tonight. It's 6:20. let's get it.
Did Malika tell you guys how she was going crazy and having a freaking panic attack because she thought her stuff was ugly?
Guys.
And she was over here giving herself a pep talk in a mirror.
I be doing this. Like, don't ever doubt me. Don't ever. To all the people that doubted me, don't ever doubt me again.
Ever. Beautiful. Ooh!
Yeah.
She ate, guys.
We be doing this. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I was panicking. I think I already told you guys. I was like,
You were panicking on camera. Were you?
Yeah, I was like, oh, it looks so crazy. I can't do that.
Oh,
Yeah, so I was panicking. So they already know that. But looking at it, yeah. Looking at it like this, I think the collar being done really.
Yeah, it puts it all together.
Yeah, it's like, oh, okay, I can see the vision now. Yeah, anyway, like I said, moving on to the sleeves. Bye.
Bye.
I didn't even start knitting yet, and it's 8:34. What? Literally still here. No progress. I was eating, you know, taking a break, and now I'm ready to get this work done. I just really don't think it's gonna take long. That's why I'm not, you know, worried. Because since I'm literally working on 6mm, making sure that I'm working on 6mm is gonna work up fast, which is why I feel like I'll easily be able to get these sleeves done. Onyx, what are you doing? Look at Ollie. Let's being in this yarn bag. Anyway, oh my gosh, whoa. Hello. Just gonna. Anyway, like I was saying, well, I am prepared to stay up no matter how long this takes. Now it is time to, unfortunately, I thought I saw something moving outside. It is time to, unfortunately, pick up stitches for the sleeves. Yay! I hate doing that. Like, when I tell you guys I hate doing that, but I love the look of it. But oh my gosh, let's pick these stitches up so I can move on with my life. Okay, this is where I'm at in my sleeve. I'm doing really good. It's literally just 11 p.m. and I'm already here. Like, it's looking so up, it's not even funny. So I'm definitely gonna finish this. I'm gonna say within like an hour and a half. So I'll check back in at like 12:30 a.m. and we'll see where I'm at. I just finished one sleeve and it looks like this. It looks so good. Does it look good? I don't know. I can't even see right now. I'm gonna assume it looks good. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna stay up for 1 more hour and then I'm just gonna go to sleep. Whoever believed that I will actually stay up and finish this sleeve, don't listen to me. Just don't. Because this brain is delusional and I say some crazy stuff that I don't think through. So we're just gonna see how far I get into and then we'll wrap it up for the night. Morning technically, because it's 1 a.m. Not technically, it just is morning. And then I'll finish the rest of the sleeve tomorrow and that'll be it. So let's get it. Okay, I got this far into the second sleeve and this is where I'm going to stop for the night and I will finish this sleeve, this sweater tomorrow. Bye.